Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best CO2 diffusers that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. And also make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Yagote CO2 Diffuser. The Yagote Diffuser is incredibly easy to set up. Just connect the proper linings and suction cup to the wall, and you're good to go. The ceramic diffuser disc is available in 3 sizes and has atomic pores on it that atomize passing CO2 gas. This allows it to dissolve into the water column, guaranteeing powerful diffusion from up to 50 gallons of water. It comes in a full kit, along with a bubble counter and a valve. At this price, that's definitely a nice surprise. There's no such thing as perfect. And even our top pick is no exception to that. For one, the biggest available size of the ceramic disc isn't that big, which limits this product's effectiveness to only 50 gallons of water. If you have a bigger tank, consider going double, or simply buying something with a bigger capacity, like the JARDLI Aquatics inline diffuser. Moving on. At number 4, we have the JARDLI Pollen CO2 Diffuser. An experienced maker of aquarium accessories that specializes in glassware, JARDLI knows just the kind of sturdy, elegant, and wonderfully functional diffuser that consumers need. And they bring all of that expertise forward in the JARDLI Pollen CO2 Diffuser. JARDLI's Pollen Diffuser is made of high-quality glass that is the perfect balance between elegance and durability. Just take one look at this diffuser and you'll instantly see that it's made for convenience, with its easy-to-install hardware, easy-to-find parts, and intuitive build. The package also includes suction cups that you'll be using to attach the diffuser to the glass of your tank. When attached, it looks simple and elegant. At number 3, we have the Rhinox Nano CO2 Diffuser. Rhinox injects life into your aquarium with its expertly designed Rhinox Nano, which encourages healthy vegetative growth in your tank with its all-glass, cylindrical, atomizing carbon dioxide diffuser. If you're in the market for something suitable for your little tank, the Rhinox Nano CO2 Diffuser may be what you're looking for. Made with beautiful, crystal clear glass, it's both understated yet aesthetically pleasing enough to be a welcome addition to your tank. It may be one of the cheapest diffusers on our list, but its capabilities are certainly nothing to scoff at. At number 2, we have the JARDLI U-Shape DIY 4-in-1 County 2 Diffuser. If you're looking to reduce costs and want to make a DIY system of your own, then the convenient, versatile, and reliable JARDLI U-Shaped CO2 Diffuser is perfect for your DIY needs. The check valve is sturdy and doesn't let in water from the tank, while the bubble counter works well and allows you to see the bubbles. The diffuser itself is made out of glass, and although it's not as pretty or elegant as JARDLI's, it works just as wonderfully. It can create a fine mist of CO2 bubbles and can handle volumes up to 50 gallons. If you're looking to save some bucks by rigging your CO2 diffuser from scratch, then JARDLI's DIY CO2 Diffuser is right for you. It comes in a complete kit that is not only cost-effective but also has everything you need to set it up in your tank. And finally, at number 1, we have the Dannisly CO2 Diffuser. If you're the clumsy sort that needs their stuff to be a little tougher, then the high-quality, high-durability glass of the Dannisly CO2 Diffuser has got your back. Made from reliable, high-bending resistance glass that can take significantly more abuse than normal glass, Starside's offering is specially made for durability. The package comes in 2 pieces: the pre-assembled diffuser with an attached tube and a suction cup. Thanks to its high-quality glass build, it's pretty hard to break with a little force, which means you can rest easy come maintenance time. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.